another one.
One more.
Today's your birthday. It's time for more fun. Follow these clues on this hunt to find a surprise when it's all done. The clue's a teaser, but you can find your next clue in the... Oh, down here! I have a blade, but I'm not a knife. Want to cool down? Just bring me to life. Fan.
Right over here. The fan's right here.
Oh, fan right here.
Oh, I see something.
Oh, it's under. I have a sound that goes beep, and through time, I do keep my main function, the microwave.
Out of the way, Grandpa.
This flat box stores color and sound. In the living room, it can be found. People knock on me to say hello. When you lock me up, but you lock me up when you go.
Door. I know that. That was very.
Come on, Connor.
To find your next clue, you'll have to think. You'll use one of these if you need a drink. Oh, I see it, I see it.
You opened it the wrong way.
I have 4 legs but no feet. When you're tired, have a seat. Table. You're finally done. Take a look and see what you've won. Happy birthday. We love you.
What do you got, Evan?
Panthers versus Vikings tickets.
Panthers versus Vikings tickets, but wait a minute. Where do they play?
To Carolina.
How are you going to get there?
Like a plane or a car.
Are you piecing this together, bud? I think you're about to go on your first plane ride. And this present was also from your godfather, Uncle Matt. What do you say?
Thank you.
Are you a little bit excited?
Very excited.
Let me see.